Model: 2018 Citroen Berlingo BlueHDi 75 manual L1 625 Lux spares or repairs Euro 6 ULEZ compliant export roof rack open mouth smile. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 170886. MOT: the 1st of June 2024. Engine: 1560 cc DV6 FE. Transmission: 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, air con, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400